0 o'clock hook pattern interrupt the roll talking head if you're using Linktree plus Bitly. Plus a QR generator, you're paying with money or with time. Today I'm testing EliteAiSuite to see if it can replace those tools in one dashboard. B-roll, quick cuts, bio page gives shorten link gives QR code gives analytics. 020, set the rules why viewers should trust you a roll. I'm not going to read a sales page. I'm doing a 5-step real workflow test. Create a bio link page, create a short link, create a branded QR code, add tracking, verify analytics updates. 045, test number 1, bio link page screen recording on screen. Create a new bio link page. A roll voiceover. EliteAiSuite is built around a social bio link platform. So first I'm creating a page with 2 buttons, an embedded video, and basic page settings. Show, add the 3 buttons offer, YouTube/contact, add dynamic content if available, show SEO settings. Password protection if visible 150. Test number 2, URL shortener screen recording. A roll voiceover, next. I'm using the built-in URL shortener. The feature I care about is whether it supports advanced options like scheduling and targeted links. Show, create one short link, then open advanced settings. To 45, test number 3, QR code generator screen recording a roll voiceover. Now I'm generating a QR code pointing to my bio link page. The platform claims multiple QR types and branding options, so I'll add a logo, color, and test it. With my phone, show, generate QR GIFs download, export GIFs scan with phone camera. 335, test number 4, tracking pixel plus analytics screen recording a roll voiceover for affiliates and ads. This part matters, tracking pixel integrations plus analytics. Show where tracking pixel is added if available and then open analytics. Quick credibility. Move. Click your short link a few times gives refresh analytics. For 30. Optional. AI features only if you can show it a roll voiceover. They also mention AI features like content generation, image creation, chatbots, voice to text, and transcription. I am testing one simple task. Generate a short caption and an image and I'll tell you if there are usage limits if you can't access AI modules. Skip this section. 520. Verdict clear buy. Skip a roll. Here's the honest verdict. Buy it if you'll actually use bio links plus short links plus QR codes regularly. And you want analytics, tracking in one place. Skip it if you already have a stack you love and you want to use these features weekly. 620. Call to action plus affiliate disclosure a roll if you want to check it out. The link is in the description. Disclosure. Some links may be affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you.